With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says determine the correct sequence of the process of nutrition in a human being. While we see that the process of nutrition, the first process which is there is mastication, that is chewing of the food with the help of teeth and tongue which lies in the oral cavity, and this results in the formation of a bolus. Bolus means food, that is a partially digested food, along with the saliva it forms a adherent structure which can be passed on to the esophagus. So option number A, that is statement A, is the first part. Then we have the deglutition. Deglutition is passing on of this bolus into the pharynx. So pharynx has got two parts now. After this there will be oropharynx, and then it goes into the laryngopharynx, from where it turns into the esophagus, that is the food pipe. While the initial phase of the deglutition is a voluntary phase, whereas later when it enters into the esophagus, it is an involuntary phase, cannot be controlled by the human will. So the C option is the next statement. Then there is production of the chyme. Now the food from the pharynx now moves into the esophagus, and then through the gastroesophageal sphincter it goes into the stomach. While stomach has the stomach it contains the gastric juice, the food gets mixed with the gastric juice, and the content which is formed here of that is the gastric juice, the entire mixture of the gastric juice is called as a chyme. So there is production of the chyme which will now mix with the food and help in the digestion of components. Mainly the proteins are digested in the stomach. So the option number B is the next one. Then we have the E part, that is digestion in the most coiled part of the alimentary canal. That means the digestion which is now left out. That means almost 70% starch which is left out from the digestion in the mouth, and the rest of the proteins which are broken down in the stomach partially now will enter into the intestine, that is the duodenum part of it, and then it is going to get broken down. So now is the E statement, and followed by the last statement, that is the D. This will now be passed on to the, that is the unabsorbed undigested substances are passed on to the caecum, then the colon, and then the rectum, through which it is egested out through the anal opening. So here we see that according to this we have option A, C, B, E, D. So that means option number 3 is the right answer for this question. We can mark option 3 as the correct answer. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.